Colorado. And that brings us to our first forecast question, courtesy of the Colorado Avalanche.
Hi, Mike. Gabe Landeskog here with the Avalanche. Got a question for you. Will we have a white Christmas this year?
Gabe, we can't quite predict with certainty this far out, but we do know that in El Nino years, the late fall and early winter are often drier than average, leaving us wishing for snow from December through February. But there's a noted exception, the Great Christmas Storm of 1982. Snow and sub-zero temperatures hit on the 23rd of December, left a lot of people snowbound for Christmas.
Danny Trevathan, linebacker for the Denver Broncos. Are we going to be playing in any snow games this year?
Danny, lots of Bronco fans are wondering the same thing. The key thing to remember is that in El Nino years, it's mostly mild, but the storms can be big and disruptive. So we might just see another snowball.
The ball loose is picked up by Steve Foley. Foley's in the end zone, very first play.
David Bruton, special teams captain for the Denver Broncos. How much snow do we need in our snowpack to avoid drought-like conditions?
David, we'll need an above-average spring to avoid a dry year, and we usually have those in El Nino years. Big, soggy storms in March and April that usually build up the snowpack. And El Nino winters are usually good for skiers and snowboarders, the mountains of central and southern Colorado especially. And David, I got to say that hat will come in really handy for you. So to sum it all up, I'm forecasting fewer days are going to be below zero, more days in the 40s this winter, one or two major snowstorms. And this is what it looks like in the mountains. Lighter snows northern, central mountains, heaviest in the southwest. And for the Denver area, one or two of those major storms could produce about 6 feet. I'm thinking 75 inches total snowfall in Denver for the season. Speaking of forecasts, shrink that down a little bit, a little shorter term forecast. Here's your 20.